What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Yeah Right by Joji. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the first fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be G major. It's 3-2-0-0-0-3. Ring finger, low E string on the 3rd fret. Your middle finger is on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky finger is on the high E on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to go E minor, which is 0-2-2-0-0-0. Middle finger, 2nd fret A string. Ring finger, 2nd fret D string. Then B minor, which is 0-2-4-4-3-2. Nothing on the low E. Bar the entire 2nd fret, starting on the A string with your index finger. Ring finger on the D string on the 4th fret. Pinky finger on the G string on the 4th fret. Middle finger on the B string on the 3rd fret. And then finally C major, 0-3-2-0-1-0, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords, and it just repeats. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar strings, all the accessories in there that you need as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Then once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All you have to do to enter the giveaways is subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on notifications for the channel, and leave a comment down below with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. I'm very excited to be able to do these giveaways. I just gave away a guitar at 50,000 subscribers, and that happened a lot quicker than I thought, but it's all thanks to you guys. These giveaways are just my way of trying to give back and show my appreciation for all the love and the support that you guys have shown me and the channel. So again, thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we will see you guys in the next video.